Good morning. A little trigger warning. I have no makeup on and I just got back from the gym and I am now having some coffee in my Golden Girls cup. So everything is moving a little backwards today, but let's just get into it and let's do some makeup. I'm not going to bore you with a lengthy list of different things that I use on my face, but instead, I just want to ask, how are you guys doing? Anyway, it's been a few minutes since I've made one of these, so I just thought I would drop by, check in with you guys, see if y'all are doing all right this year. And I know this is a little late getting out since it is now Christmas time, but it has been a very long year over here in my camp, and there's a lot of different things going on, but I hope you all are doing okay. Isn't putting on eye makeup the most atrocious looking thing on camera? I mean, right now I am really just going to apologize because you are staring straight up into my nostrils and that is just a very unnatural look. So my apologies for this. So I'm not really one of those makeup influencers who know how to do it and finesse it. So this is how it's done, I guess. There you go. Okay, enough with all that. We are now finished and let's do what we're here to do, and that is to take down some Halloween. My really bad cat, Feral. He's over here. I guess he found himself a bird, and yeah, I just want to try to clean up Halloween, and there's always something going on that's a little extra. The guys showed up to clean the yard as well, and as you can see, those are all my potato vines out in the yard, and they grew all summer long really beautifully, and as you can see, within like 30 seconds they're all ripped up and all gone. And so but it's that time of year, I guess it's time to pull them in because the first cold snap they're gonna die back anyway. With all the stuff in the yard that I'm pulling up, I decided to leave that 12-foot skeleton out. I'm gonna repurpose him for the holidays. So I know that seems terrible, but I waited like 4 years to get one of those from Home Depot, so I just wanted to keep him up for a little while. And another thing too, when the guys pulled up, they had spray paint on their truck, so this is going to be a moment where I get sidetracked, and I'm just going to go ahead and clean off some of that so they're not driving around with spray paint on the side of their truck. here's what my house actually looked like at the end of Halloween, and I put this story up on Instagram, and I just love all the stuff inside as well.
We make quite a pair, don't we, darling?
Very interesting. Here I see the promise of love, and here it shows the chance of fortune. But alas, you have only bad luck. $5, please.
One of the things that is just glorious about this holiday is all the different food that you would just not pair together on a normal occasion. Like, for instance, you would not eat a cheese ball with some cider and also a Snickers bar, and it just all comes together magically this evening. Do y'all ever go shopping at Cracker Barrel when you're there, and even when you go right after Halloween, they put everything on super clearance? And I got this little ghost stories book for like, I swear I think I paid only like $2 for it, and I will probably read you one of those later. I just love stuff like that. At this point, I didn't realize how much stuff I was actually putting away. I had been putting things out for Halloween all month long, and then the day I decide to clean it up, it's just like trying to pick up a month's worth of things that you've put out in like, I don't know, in a couple of hours. So it seems a little overwhelming at times. Okay, I love to collect vintage Halloween things, and this pumpkin painting kit, I have been carting along with all my things for a long time, and on the side of the package you will see it was made in the city I was born in and also in the 80s, and so I have been keeping it in my Halloween stuff for a really long time. Okay guys, here it is, the final reveal. I cannot believe I got all of this stuff up in one day. It just seemed like a lot, especially since, like I said earlier, it took me all month of just putting things out slowly. So to get it up in one day was a lot of work on my end, but I kind of left this Harry Potter hallway up just because I may use it for the holidays. At this point, I hadn't decided, but I truly appreciate each and every single one of you for stopping by and watching. And if you like what you see and you want to see more, please subscribe. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.